Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to transfer money from Greenlight to Cashapp. So for that, you have to link your Greenlight card to your Cashapp to successfully transfer money between Greenlight and Cashapp. And so for that, you need to open your Cashapp, and so you have two options for that. You can either click on the bank icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen, or you can click on the profile icon and link your Greenlight debit or credit card to your Cashapp. So I'm gonna click on the profile icon at the top right corner of my mobile screen, and you can follow the same, and just click on that and scroll down a bit and click on linked banks, and after that just click on link debit card. And here you will have to mention your Greenlight card number and expiry date and CVC number, and once you enter all the details, just click on the card, and there your Greenlight card will be successfully linked to your Cashapp. Now you can transfer money between Greenlight to Cashapp, and that's it. And if you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.